Good soil is not something you buy once and forget about. It improves when you keep adding the right materials and allow nature to work at its own pace. A simple mixture made from dried eggshells, charcoal, and well-decomposed manure can slowly change the condition of your garden bed and make it more productive over time. These materials may seem basic, but when used together, they support plant roots, improve soil texture, and encourage life in the soil. Begin with dried eggshells collected from your kitchen. They must be completely dry before blending, otherwise they will not break down properly. Once dry, put them in a blender and grind them until they turn into a fine powder. The powder form is important because whole or large pieces of eggshell take a very long time to break down in soil. Finely ground eggshells release calcium more evenly, which helps plants grow stronger stems and reduces common calcium-related problems. Charcoal is the next ingredient. It should be crushed into powder or very small pieces, as small as you can manage. This can be done by wrapping it in a cloth and crushing it with a hammer or stone. Charcoal does not directly feed plants, but it improves the soil environment. Its porous structure holds moisture and nutrients and prevents them from washing away. It also gives beneficial microorganisms a place to live and multiply, which makes the soil more active over time. After preparing the eggshell powder and crushed charcoal, mix them together. There is no strict ratio required. The idea is simply to combine the calcium from the eggshells with the carbon structure of the charcoal. Once mixed, take a large bucket and add decomposed manure. The manure should be dark, crumbly, and without strong smell. Fresh manure should not be used because it can damage plant roots and upset the soil balance. Add the eggshell and charcoal mixture into the bucket of manure and mix everything well. Make sure the ingredients are evenly distributed so every handful contains a bit of everything. This combined mixture works slowly but steadily. Manure provides nutrients and organic matter, eggshells improve mineral balance, and charcoal holds nutrients in place so plants can access them over a longer period. To use this mixture in your garden, make a small trench in the soil between plants or dig a shallow hole near the root zone. Sprinkle the mixture into the trench or hole and cover it with soil. This method places nutrients close enough to benefit the plant without directly touching delicate roots. If you do not want to dig, you can sprinkle the mixture around the plant base and gently mix it into the top layer of soil. Watering after application is extremely important. Water helps settle the mixture into the soil and starts biological activity. Moisture allows microorganisms to multiply and begin breaking down the organic materials. Charcoal absorbs water and nutrients during this process, slowly releasing them back into the soil. Without proper watering, the mixture will stay inactive and take much longer to show results. With time, this method improves soil structure and fertility. The soil becomes looser and better at holding moisture, which reduces stress on plants during hot or dry periods. Roots grow deeper and stronger because the soil is easier to penetrate. Nutrients are released gradually instead of all at once, which leads to steady growth rather than sudden bursts followed by weakness. This practice also makes use of materials that are usually thrown away. Eggshells, leftover charcoal, and manure are all reused in a way that benefits the garden instead of ending up as waste. Repeating this process a few times each growing season slowly builds healthier soil. Instead of depending on quick-acting fertilizers, you create a system where the soil supports plants naturally, year after year, with less effort and better results.